Here we have a battery. I'm demonstrating about the battery. Some people they are wiring some videos on internet. They are filling in Coca Cola or Pepsi in the battery, so that they're showing that if we are treating a battery with a Coca Cola or Pepsi or whatever cold drink or soft drink, so the battery becomes good or new or something like that. So this is not the way. Actually, this video is just a response to those people who are doing this thing. Such a thing is not possible. If a battery is going defective, so the solution is only to rebuild this or to send this to factory, and they will just cut it down and melt it and make a new battery from this old battery. So this is the way. Here we have this rebuild battery. You can see this is the rebuilding shop actually, where I have been come, and they are rebuilding batteries. So this battery they have rebuilt. I will show you these things. Here I have some plates which have been come from old battery. So this plate, you can see, this is just grid, lead grid. You can see this is the lead grid, and here the active material is filled in. This is the active material, the black one you can see inside, and here my fingers you can see underneath this become grid now, because the active material has been broken from and has been scratched from this battery, this plate, and has been fallen down inside the battery, and then this grid plate only remains. So the new plate I'm just going to show you. This is the new plate, you can see, and new plate is complete filled plate. This is the active material in. So this active material is acting like a positive plate, and here is the negative plate. You can see this black one. So such a plate is good. If this will go in the battery, it will produce power, but this grid plate, it will never ever produce a power. This plate has been come from a battery which has been used for 3-4 years, and after 3-4 years the plate becomes like this. So if you will wash this battery with Coca Cola or with Pepsi or whatever cold drink, it will never work. It will never work for you. So the only solution is to rebuild this battery by factory or by shop. So here we have this battery. You can see they have put new insulators, they have put new plates, and now this battery is ready to be fixed. So they will fix it, and this battery will continue its service. So this is the way. Now here you can see this is one cell. They have prepared one cell, and here are the positives. They will connect them together, and here is the negative. These have been connected already. This is actually the reused one, because this plate is good, so they are reusing. But the positive plates, they put it new, because positive plates are bad. They were bad, and they removed it from. Positive plates were something like this, so they removed it from, and new plates like this have been fixed here. And these new insulators also, they have fixed them here. So this cell is now ready to be fixed in a new battery, and they have many cells. You can see here they have prepared so many cells, and these new cells will be fixed in the battery, and they will be interconnected together and will form a complete battery. So this is the only way. This demonstration is for the people who are just spreading the videos that they are filling Coca Cola, Pepsi or Epsom salt. These things are never ever working for you. So the old battery has only one solution, that will go to the shop or to the factory, and it will be rebuilt again, and this will be renewed by the factory, and it will come to the service once again. So this is only the way. Just this demonstration will be enough for you. I think the people who are watching my videos, so hope that you people will like these videos, because this is something, the ethics also, that I have to show you the reality. I will not pervert people, because some people are doing like this on the internet, so that thing is not good. My way is to give you the real demonstration and to give you the real scenario which I have already given to you. So these cold drinks are for people, they are not for batteries. So never ever fill a cold drink in the battery. This is a bad thing. Never ever do like that. If you will do like this, so you will ruin a good battery also. So good battery you have to use. Just take care of the water level, and the electrolyte should be on the top of the plates. And if the water is used, you have to fill distilled water in, and do not fill anything like cold drink or Epsom salt or anything. Please don't put it in. So thank you for watching. Keep on watching. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe my channel. Press on the bell icon so that you will get my notifications. Thank you for watching. Keep on watching.